Have you ever scrolled past an ad for CoryDerm.com and wondered, is this the next skincare miracle or just clever marketing hype? Let's get real and break it down. First up, legitimacy. As of January 2026, CoryDerm.com has a trust score of 0. Yep, zero point zero on some review sites. That's a red flag, especially when similar brands like CoDerm.com have at least some verified customer feedback. CoryDerm's website is packed with glowing reviews from users like Janet S. and Catherine R., all raving about their skin changing in just 1 week. But here's the thing, those are all internal. There just aren't many third-party reviews out there to back up these claims. The brand's big hero product is the Time Reverse Cream. Supposedly, it's packed with Centella asiatica, hydrolyzed collagen, and hyaluronic acid, classic K-beauty favorites. They say it absorbs 251% faster than regular creams, and that you'll see results in a week. Sounds magical, right? But remember, those sales numbers on their site actually refer to the popularity of the main ingredient in Korea, not this specific brand. So, what are the red flags? For one, the brand is often confused with others, CoDerm.com or CoryDerm, which have a more transparent online presence. CoryDerm.com itself doesn't clearly mention which Korean labs they use, or who's behind the company. And while there aren't any confirmed scam reports right now, similar brands have been called out for sketchy subscription models and credit card hassles. My advice? Before buying, always check their return policy and FAQ page. Use a credit card or PayPal for extra protection. And compare their products on platforms like Amazon to see if the ingredients and reviews actually match up. So, is CoryDerm.com a miracle or just hype? For now, I'd say, proceed with caution. Don't let the shiny marketing do all the talking. Stay smart and keep your skin and your wallet